Two cashback titans. One head-to-head showdown. Citi Double Cash versus Costco Anywhere Visa. Which one really delivers? On the left, the simple unlimited rewards of Citi Double Cash. And on the right, the category-crushing Costco Anywhere Visa, built for gas and Costco superfans. Let's skip the buzzwords and see what really matters. Each key feature is scored, and at the end, you'll know exactly which card comes out on top in 2025. The result might surprise even seasoned spenders. Okay, just before we get too deep, here's a quick mind map. We're going to compare these cards on cashback rates, rewards flexibility, eligibility and fees, everyday savings, especially for gas, how easily you can use them at Costco, travel perks, and that all-important intro offer. Ready? All right, let's kick things off with the cashback rates. First, Citi Double Cash is all about simplicity. 2% cashback on everything, like literally everything. 1% when you buy, 1% when you pay it off. No weird bonus categories, but also no bonus categories. So it's totally chill, but not super special if your spending's all over the place. Now, the Costco Anywhere Visa? Oof, this thing goes wild if you love pumping gas. 5% back at Costco gas up to $7,000 per year, then 1% after. And 4% at other gas stops or EV chargers, plus 3% at restaurants and travel, and 2% at Costco or Costco.com. So yeah, it's got those sweet high rates, but only in certain spots. Only 1% on everything else. And here's a quirk. You only get to redeem your rewards once a year. Winner here? Costco Visa. Those bonus rates are hard to beat for gas and travel lovers. Next up is rewards flexibility. Citi Double Cash makes it stupidly easy. You redeem your cash back whenever you want for a statement credit, check, or a straight-up bank deposit. No annual waiting, no drama. Technically, you earn thank you points, but you won't really feel it. The Costco Visa? This is where things get kinda meh. You earn a big reward certificate, but you only get it once a year, after your February statement. And if you don't spend it that year, too bad. It's gone. And you gotta use it at Costco. So, yeah. Citi Double Cash is way more chill on flexibility. Winner, Double Cash. Okay, what about fees and eligibility? Citi Double Cash is super easy. You don't need to be part of some club, and there's no annual fee, period. No strings attached. The Costco Visa technically has no annual fee, but you have to have a paid Costco membership, which runs you like $65 a year minimum. So if you're already a big Costco person, maybe it's not a problem, but if not, kind of annoying, right? This one's simple. Double Cash wins again. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. If you max out that $7,000 on Costco gas with their Visa, you could be snagging up to $350 in cash back every single year. Just from gas. Pretty wild, right? Let's talk about everyday savings, especially if you drive a ton. With Citi Double Cash, you get 2% back on gas and literally everything else. Super predictable, but not crazy high. Costco Anywhere Visa, though, this thing is a monster for gas. 5% at Costco gas stations, up to $7,000 a year, then it drops to 1%. Even outside Costco, you get 4% on other gas and even EV charging. That's legit if you rack up miles every week. Winner here is totally the Costco Visa for big drivers. Now, how easy are these to use at Costco? Citi Double Cash is a MasterCard, so you can use it online at Costco.com, which is nice if you shop from your couch. But here's the downside. In Costco warehouses, they only take Visa, so Double Cash won't work. Sad. The Costco Visa, on the other hand, is like the key to the store, accepted everywhere, in-store or online, as long as you've got your membership. So yeah, pretty obvious. The Costco Visa is the warehouse winner. Thinking about travel? Quick rundown. Citi Double Cash doesn't charge foreign transaction fees, so you can use it internationally without getting dinged, but it kinda lacks in travel perks otherwise. Costco Visa also skips foreign transaction fees and throws in a nice set of travel protections, like accident insurance and emergency travel support. But you still have to wait for your annual reward certificate to cash in your points. Still, for the perks, Costco Visa takes this round. All right, let's end these comparisons with the intro offer. Citi Double Cash comes in clutch here. Spend $1,500 in 6 months and bam, get $200 back. Easy. The Costco Visa? No welcome bonus, no extra cash up front. Bit of a letdown if you're a new card hunter. So, Citi Double Cash wins with the sign-up bonus. Let's recap with a quick radar chart. Just imagine where these two cards spike the hardest. The Costco Visa is king for gas savings and Costco shopping, while Double Cash is all about being simple, flexible, and fee-free. The winner's usually who matches your lifestyle best. So, what's my take? If you want max flexibility and hate juggling categories or waiting a whole year to cash in your rewards, Citi Double Cash is honestly hard to beat. It's super consistent and hassle-free. But if Costco is practically your second home and you're always rolling up to their gas pumps, then the Costco Anywhere Visa absolutely wins for you with those sky-high rates. It's all about how you shop. Want to make your wallet happier next grocery run? Seriously, compare these cards before you buy. And don't forget, follow for more no BS, super practical credit card breakdowns.